Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're talking about what could be your new favorite pair of shorts, the Amazon Essentials Men's 6 inches Inseam Drawstring Shorts in a vibrant yellow color. These are the best men's yellow shorts you can find, offering a perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality for those warm summer days. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate casual shorts, keep watching. Now, let's break down what makes these shorts stand out. First off, the fabric. Made from 100% cotton, these shorts provide a soft, breathable feel that keeps you comfortable all day. The twill material is mid-weight, which is perfect for those sunny days when you need something light yet durable. The shorts are machine washable, so you don't have to worry about complex care routines. Just toss them in the wash, and you're good to go. These shorts are designed with a regular fit, offering a relaxed but flattering silhouette. They sit comfortably at the waist and feature a straight leg cut, which gives them a versatile style that works well for a range of activities, whether you're heading to the beach or just lounging at home. The 6-inch inseam provides the perfect length for showing off those legs without feeling too exposed, striking a great balance for all occasions. One of the standout features of these shorts is the elastic waistband paired with a drawstring. This allows for an adjustable fit that ensures comfort, whether you're enjoying a casual day or running errands. The side seam pockets and a back pocket offer ample space for your essentials, giving these shorts both practicality and style. The classic pull-on design means there are no zippers or buttons to fuss with, making them incredibly easy to slip on and off. For those who love a pop of color in their wardrobe, the yellow color is perfect. Bright, cheerful, and easy to pair with almost anything in your summer wardrobe, this shade of yellow is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Whether you match them with a simple tee or a button-up shirt, these shorts will add a fun and vibrant touch to any outfit. So, why should you choose the Amazon Essentials Men's 6 inches Inseam Drawstring Shorts? They're affordable, stylish, and comfortable, making them a solid choice for your summer wardrobe. Whether you're at a barbecue, hitting the beach, or just lounging in the sun, these shorts have got you covered. Plus, they come in a range of sizes, from extra small to XX large, ensuring that there's a fit for everyone. That's it for today's review on the Amazon Essentials Men's 6 inches Inseam Drawstring Shorts. If you're looking for the perfect pair of yellow shorts this summer, look no further. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to check out our other reviews for more great products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.